Lord, it's storming again. Rain keeps falling. I hear the thunder in the wind. The skies are screaming. Doors are shaking. Like the storm is breaking in. And there's a war within. A voice trying to tell me I won't win again, telling me give in, but faith keeps whispering, don't stop believing. God, I need you now. Trying to stand, but I don't know how. God, I need you now. Trying to move, but I'm breaking down. God, I'm crying out to you. The fear and the pain are too loud. God, I'm waiting, and I need you right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. Oh, right now, right now, right now, right now. I knew I'd feel this again, holding to your word, still believing within. But it's harder than it's ever been. So I'm asking you, Lord, step in. This ain't a simple fight with sin. This is cold, this is winter settling in. This is life fading, leaves falling, and my strength breaking again. God, I need you now. Trying to breathe, but I don't know how. God, keep sleeping just to make it through the day. Oh, I don't wanna look away from the pain I feel every time I pray. Your word says I'll win again, but this feeling says I might not make it today. All this noise in my head got me lost in the fight, and this pain in my chest got me fearing the night. And all I can say is, God, I'm waiting, and I need you now. Need you now. God, I'm waiting, and I need you now. Hey, God, I need you. Can't do this without you. Can't do this without you. Even in the rain, you're still God. Even in the storm, you're still God. When I can't see my way, you're still God. And I won't let go, I won't let go. Oh, God, I need you now. But I know you're working it out. God, I need you now. Even here, you won't let me drown. God, I'm holding on to you now. Even when I can't figure it out. God, I'm waiting. But I trust you right now. Trust you right now. Trust you right now.